is familiar with their ABCs. You take those 26 letters, you put them together in different ways, and you can create any word that you want. Drawing also has a set of ABCs, a series of shapes and lines that, when you put them together in different ways, they allow you to draw anything that you want. The drawing ABCs are made up of 5 elements. The first one is the dot. This refers to anything that is round-ish, but would be colored in. For example, you would use dots to draw the holes in this drain. Pause the video and look around the classroom and find something you would draw with a dot. Raise your hand and tell your teacher. The second element is circle. This refers to anything that is round-ish that would not be colored in. Use circles to draw round-ish things that you can touch and feel, like this cookie. Find something in the classroom that you would draw with a circle element and share it with your classmates. Then we move on to the line elements, the things that you would draw with a line. The third element are straight lines, and this refers to anything that, you guessed it, you would draw with a straight line, such as the side of a door or a window. Go ahead and pause the video and find something you would draw with a straight line. The fourth element is a curved line. This refers to anything that you would draw with a curved line that doesn't connect to make a circle or a dot. For example, a cord. Go ahead and look around the classroom and find something you would draw with a curved line that would not be a circle or a dot, and share it with your classmates. The fifth and final drawing element is an angled line. Angled lines are anything that you would draw that has a point on it. For example, the edge of a book. Go ahead and pause the video and find something you would draw with an angled line. These 5 elements, when put together, create the drawing ABCs. You can combine them and use them to draw anything. We're going to do a drawing together so that you can see how the 5 elements can combine to create an image. First, your teacher will hand you a sheet that has a series of rectangles in them. You're going to be making a small deck of cards, so pause this video and cut the cards apart. Start with card number 1 and draw along with me. Pause the video if you need extra time. We're going to be drawing a bird. First, make the eye. In the upper half of the drawing space, make a dot for the pupil. Then, you're going to draw a circle around the dot. Make the beak with a small angled line in front of the eye. You want to leave a space between the eye and the beak and have the point of the angle go towards the eye. Then, draw a straight line for the middle of the beak, going away from the eye. Make it as long as the beak will be. Make the tip of your beak by connecting the end of the straight line to each end of the small angled line you first made, using 2 more straight lines. Then, make the head by drawing a curved line around the top of the eye, making it come down below the beak. Draw a curved line from the bottom of the beak downward, stopping at just about the same point. Then, draw a curved line for the wing. You can make this at any angle that you want the wing to be at, and you could also make the curved line any shape you want it to be. Draw the belly with another curved line, connecting the bottom of the head to the wing. Then, draw repeating curved lines, sort of like waves, inside the body and the wing for the bird's feathers. Finally, you're going to draw the legs, making 2 straight lines, and then draw the feet, drawing 3 or 4 curved lines for the toes. And there you have it. You just combined those 5 drawing elements, the drawing ABCs, to create a bird. For the rest of the lesson, continue to make your deck. Match the number on the card to the number in your packet, write down the object, then use the drawing ABCs to copy the image onto the card. What you'll end up with is sort of like the key to a secret code. You'll see what very old artists were saying when they used different objects in their paintings. For example, when you see a mirror, it meant the artist was calling someone vain. We're going to talk more about this in our next lessons, so all you need to worry about today is completing your deck of symbols to use next week.